Okay, so I guess it's the start of today's vlog and tomorrow's. Today is a 2-day vlog. Wait. This vlog is gonna be a 2-day vlog because we got a freezing rain event that's gonna happen this evening into tomorrow, and we want to intercept on the vlog. Also, today the highest it's ever gotten was 23 degrees.
Yep. Alright, Tom's gonna step on the pool.
Yes, because it's got lots of ice on there now.
Have fun. I don't think it's gonna hold you, bro. Mommy, no.
I'm going out to the middle.
You're gonna fall in.
If I fall in, it'll be got a GoPro.
Just lay down.
No, I'm not a big baby.
Oh, I'm hearing something. Tommy? Oh, it's moving. When you went in the middle, it went. This is bad.
Wait, I need to spread them out. I realize I have my feet together.
Spread them.
Seriously, you just said it yourself. I'm 50 pounds heavier than you. There you go. There you go.
Oh, this is terrible.
I'm shivering. I need a different angle. Here we go. There we go. Yes, do what I did. Spread them.
I don't think I'll be able to unspread.
Today is Friday. I just woke up, so I'm having a little bit of issues. I don't know if you can tell, but it's actually downpouring, but it's kind of funny because it's 29 degrees right now and raining, so you know what that means. Freezing rain. Let's go check this out. So we got ice right here, right? Oh no. It's not that bad actually. Whoa. Uh-oh. This might be bad. Oh my goodness, this is all ice. Look at the Corolla Mobile. Oh my goodness. Look at how much ice there is. Look at that. Okay, that's a lot of ice. Oh no. Oh my goodness. The road is just a sheet of ice. I can't hear any road noise. There's nobody out today. Oh. Okay, try this again. Okay, we gotta go lower. Oh, crap. Oh. We're going places. 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 Oh yeah, look at that. Oh wow. Okay, so we've already found out that it is all ice out here. Oh no. Going crazy. Help. Thankfully, I'm a natural at this. We're picking up speed. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. Made it pretty much back. It's supposed to continue for the next couple hours. below freezing before it finally gets above freezing. I got Sierra out here. Wait, Sierra, you ever done the thing where you roll down the window and punch it out?
Oh, I want to do that.
The window is rolled down. Just be careful on closing the door. Actually, I'll close it and you come around and come in maybe. Actually, yeah, good point. Just take it.
Wow.
Man, how much ice was there?
That's a thick layer of ice.
Why are you mean to me? You don't get. Alright, I'm gonna practice my sliding down the hill. See, I'm already good at climbing up the hill. Uh-oh. Just gonna. It's actually working. What? Oh my goodness. Okay, now I gotta do that. What was that? I was not expecting anything like that. Oh, I am penguin. All I did was create misery and wetness. Well, your jacket's better for it. Wait, let me grab the snowboard. Oh my goodness. Wait a second, I'm gonna be able to stop. I'm regretting my decision already. Crap. Oh, this is bad. This is bad. You look like a penguin. Look at you. Wait, we gotta catch up with her. Yeah, I'm gonna catch up with you. Oh, no. No. The snowboard's God's here. Wow, it did better than I did. Oh, there. Oh my goodness. I gotta go get the snowboard.
Wait, how am I gonna go up?
Look at that speed. Wow. You're becoming one with the penguin. Oh crap, I'm sliding faster than you, Sierra. Sliding faster than you. Sierra, whoa. Sierra, oh no, Heidi's coming. Oh, toasted. There you go. You're mopping your way to victory. Whoa! Oh, Sierra! Where's the snowboard? I legit don't know where the snowboard is. Come on, little snowboard. Come on. Okay, we're gonna try our best to go down to the schoolyard.
I think we're just gonna...
Oh crap!
I was sliding as fast as the snowboard, but I wasn't on the snowboard.
Oh! Oh, I can't stop! Sarah, I can't stop!
Oh, go. It's so scary.
goodness. There we go. Alright, now go down the slide of joy. Are you okay? I saw the fear in your eyes.
I couldn't stop, so I just had to actually get away.
There's a better slide over here though. Oh, first time been at a playground in an ice storm. Oh my goodness, Sarah. That is gonna be so slippery. Wow! That is fast! Alright, Heidi, you ready? Whoa! Oh. Oh, wait, Sarah, film me. I'm gonna be Mountain Man. Mountain Man died.
Tommy, what happened?
Let's see. Come on, Heidi. Heidi, no! Come on, Heidi. Heidi's got it. Look at her. Look at her go. Look at all the ice on the grass, Sarah. Sarah, no! We made it, Sarah. Oh. Oh. Sarah, no! Sarah! Sarah! Okay, so there's a jump there, 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 jump there. Jumps everywhere, Sarah. Look. She's going. Lift up the feet. That looks painful. Oh.
Ice is hard, not soft. The way.
That's really the way right there. Well, yeah, I'd figure. Freezing rain. You're going up like an actual you're going up basically a waterfall. Oh, did you hit your facey? She hit her head.
I think I blacked out for a moment. All I feel is pain.
Maybe you just stay down there and I'll come down and get you.
Okay.
I'm about to go beast mode and you're gonna get right in the My hat flew off and I hit a small jump. Really? Wait, hang on. Oh, it's slippery, Heidi. Slippery. You are. Just a tiny bit. But it's still blood.
I put my blood, sweat, and tears into going up that hill. Is it normal to hurt to move your eye?
Probably not. I caught that moment when you hit your head on the, or your eyeball, whatever it was you hit. It looked really slow on GoPro and in real life.
It was hard though. Have fun. Tommy, no, you're so close. Tommy, don't give up now. Tommy, don't do it. Yes, Tommy. Tommy, yes. Tommy, yes. Tommy, go. Tommy, you can do it.
I got it.
Let's go.
I'm coming down. I'm getting up there. Warm up there.
Oh, I have a headache now. I need help. It hurts to blink. It's 34 degrees out here. Everything's slowly dripping. Icicles are falling from the sky. Tom and I are going to head into the unknown with the snowboard, into the woods, and hopefully a giant icicle doesn't smash us. I don't know why, but I decided to be poetic today. Ice is falling from the sky. Tommy? Tommy, behind you! Tommy, behind you!
Look at this, a bad spot! Get out of here! Go that way! Those are some big pieces of ice coming down. I wonder if enough ice made it to go down that way. Whoa! Weak. She's going fast. Oh no! Oh no! Oh shit! Oh no! She's going the. Oh crap! I can't run! Oh crap! I'm running! Sarah, no! Sarah! Sarah, don't go that way! That's that way! Sarah, no! Sarah, no! No! Sarah, no! Sarah! My hand! Sarah, don't go that way! Sarah, I said no! Sarah, no! Why? Oh, Sarah!
That was intense.
And my fingies hurt. I take GoPro now. Oh, here she goes. Yes. Good idea. Yes. Oh, you're booking it. Yes. She's falling off the snowboard. Oh no, she's not. Oh, she's booking it. Not again. Oh, she missed it. Barely. Why is it cold? Yeah, I'm cold.
Tom is trying to dodge ice cream. I mean,
Waiting for the walking matrix.
I hit you though.
Oh. See that skill? Wow. No, please.
Okay, you ready, Sarah?
Yeah.
I hit you. I hit you. Oh. I gotta get my glove on. This is your demise. My new weapon is so powerful. I hit you. You're weak. Why is my hand like this? I did. Whoa. Gonna go in the leafy bag. Leafy bag. It's got that traction control and brand new tires.
So weird that my foot can go like.
Oh. Uh-oh.
The thing is, it's got a heavy battery pack. Look at this.
It's not even slipping.
traction control.
That's not what I was expecting.
It's not even slipping on the ice.
That's cool.
So this thing is good in the snow. That's what we found out. With good tires, this thing's good in the snow.
That was almost disappointing.
Yeah, I was expecting a struggle, and when we get perfection, things are happening. See,
What else we got on there?
I don't know. What do we got? What do we got?
I got the pecan pie.
Oh yeah.
What about the peanut butter pie?
Oh, that's what I'm getting the ingredients right now.
What about the peanut butter? What are we looking for, Sarah? Wow.
Graham cracker crust and cranberry
Oh, cranberry sauce.
and butter.
I feel like we're going the wrong way. Sound. It's only $1.59. It's pretty good, actually. Can you make that at home? Because I'm willing to make it, Sarah.
What?
Can we make it?
It's
we have the
probably
supply?
cheaper to do this though.
Oh, it would be?
Yeah.
I want to make it, dude. If we already have the supplies, why don't we just make it?
You can't make graham crackers.
Yes, you can. You take flour. Oh, sorry.
We're going with this.
Why can't we find the cranberry? The cranberry is our nemesis right now. Hang on. Cranberry. Where's the cran? We might just have to call the cran. We could make some. We could buy some cranberries and then make some sauce. Brilliant. She found it.
Okay. Cranberry sauce acquired.
Father. We got the butter.
Lost some vision.
Yeah, we stopped at a stop sign and this happened. Dad apparently can see.
I can. Go over accelerator.
Oh my goodness. That was pretty cool.
Oh, UPS is out.
Yes! They got the chains on. Let me tell you right now, they are the real troopers right
Yeah,
there.
man. Hey, I wonder if one of our you guys' gifts is here.
So you may or may not be able to see, but Sarah and I have decided we're gonna have a white Christmas no matter what. We're making up a pile of snow there, so that way at least minimum there's an inch of snow there by Christmas time.
Yeah.
Because we did the math. Tomorrow's gonna be like 50 degrees, and we just can't have that, okay? I don't want 50 degrees and it's supposed to rain tomorrow, all throughout tomorrow night, into Christmas morning, and I don't think this 2 inches, 3 inches of snow is gonna still be there by the end of that time. So, we're gonna have to take matters into our own hands and build ourselves a pile of snow. Look at our beauty.
We have a white Christmas now.
Yeah. You know what's crazy, Sierra? In Hamburg, New York, you know what they got? You know what they got?
Yeah.
83 inches. That was just in 2 days.
We're out here excited when we get 2 inches of snow.